Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
And this is Popeye. Hey buddy, everybody wave, shake Popeye. We are the TheRcSaylors, and today we're just doing things a little bit differently just to mix it up some. Test out a new camera that we have on the channel.
I told you guys we were wanting to get a new camera.
Right, and we'll just see how this goes, but we thought this would be a great vehicle to test this camera with. We have a 16 channel, advertised as 16 channels. This is Abby's camera. I'm not good at this at all. This is a 16 channel. The treads really work on this thing. It really pivots. The claw and everything really works. This is an alloy. It's metal, the claw grabber. I don't know the actual name of this, but we'll have it linked in the description box below. It's something like $50, believe it or not, which is crazy. Here's the transmitter that comes with it. It has all the buttons labeled, which I love, or at least most of them. I think these pivoted around. It should control really similarly to my, the other claw I had, but it was just 2 claws. This one has 5, which is amazing. It takes 2 AA batteries in here. It comes with a rechargeable battery that charges with this USB cable. It's kind of a slow charge, but the battery should last a nice long time.
Okay.
All right, and the battery is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cell nickel cadmium, so it's, you know, a little outdated technology. 7.2 volts. That's probably why the price is so low, because the battery technology just is not there. There we go. And it plugs in up here. You know what? I know what we need on this thing.
Popeye's ready. He was like sleeping right before we sat down.
I'll turn this on first.
Now he's awake.
He's like, we're getting ready to play with some RC toys, aren't we? Okay, now we can turn that sound off, but it is cool.
Lights.
There are lights on there. I'll flip it around here in just a second. There we go. Okay, look at these. It has lights on there. It's like a police truck, which are completely unnecessary, but it's there. It has like a demo mode too, but what I'm going to do is turn that off, because I think I prefer it without the sound myself.
Oh, turn the lights off.
Right. Now listen to this. As you move it, it has. Let me aim the claw up some. Hear that noise? Listen. It's actually sound effects in there. Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Let's see. One of these. There we go. I had to get the. See these buttons here? They make it go like this, which is amazing. Let's bring that down a hair, and then we would pick something up. Look at it go. Oh yeah. Now it also comes with. I'm turning the sound off. It comes with this amazing ball. It's so amazing. Let's see if we can get this. Okay, I gotta get the controls down again. It's been a while since I've done this. And it wasn't with this one. Let's pivot some. Let's extend this arm out. And then this arm down. I'm so slow at this. Okay, now we can close.
I don't think you're on it.
I'm on it. Oh
my gosh.
We got this. Okay, arm up.
Well,
this
you got it.
Got the ball. Look at that. Abby, hold your hand out. This will take 5 hours, but I can get it to you. Okay, hold your hand out. Let's do. Okay, a little closer, please. Oh, I'll come to you. And open. And you got the basketball.
Catch it.
Okay, I'll close it. Now it comes with that basketball, but what we're going to do is put this tool to good use and pick up some Popeye toys with this thing.
Popeye, we're going to pick up your toys.
And also,
don't drive off there.
Also, Popeye, hey buddy, want to fetch?
Want a ball?
Want to fetch?
Get the ball.
Go get the ball, Popeye. Get the ball.
He heard it. Look.
He's probably going to get it.
Get the ball.
All right, if you don't get it first, I'm going to get it. He got the ball. He almost got the ball.
Oh, Popeye.
Is he afraid of it?
Get the ball.
Right, so let's get some Popeye toys and his basket. Now he does this all the time, but I'm going to help him out. He always makes a big mess.
Are we going to put him back in the basket?
Yep, the idea, and I'll pick one up, and then we'll let you pick one up.
Okay. Popeye. Oh, he's getting the basketball.
Oh no, he got the new one. He likes new toys.
Oh gosh.
All right, well
that
he can have the basket.
Now
It's destroyed. That's okay. We love our little Popeye. This should be perfect. Look at that. Okay, so you got to be careful with the gears. What I'm going to have to do is drive backwards with this one because the fox will get under the treads if I don't. Whoops, wrong way. There we go.
Popeye!
I'm getting your fox, Popeye. What are you going to do? No, swing
Went over the cord. Look at him, look at him.
Yeah, he's trying.
He's rescuing. So he likes the basketball.
You like that ball? Yeah. I can't go any higher.
Oh no.
This one is like right on the edge
Oh
there.
no.
Wait, I got this one. I got that.
There you go.
I got that. There we go.
Look at the fox's head. It looks
It's
demented.
like, it's getting choked.
Look at Popeye.
There we go. It's in
You
there.
did it.
Yeah. Okay.
He did it, Popeye.
I want to get more now, buddy.
He likes that ball.
He does. Okay, it's your turn. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I could do that all day. Popeye, I got your toys. I got the ball. I got the ball, Popeye. Abby's gonna try to get that one. She's gonna try to get it. So when every now and then you'll hear it clicking, that is actually just like if you push it too far. It takes a while to learn all the controls, doesn't it?
Yeah.
See, she's trying. Oh, Popeye, he's trying to get the ball. He says, I gotta get that ball. I think these things are so cool. They have different kinds, not just the claw. But I thought the claw looked really cool for the Popeye toys. Popeye, you better get it. Get that ball. Get the ball, Pops. You can do it, buddy. Good job, Abby. You got it. Now you gotta lift up. Okay, now there's other ones to lift too. And then those two shoulders, see up here, right there? You can swing the whole thing around. See that?
Oh, okay.
See that? Like, there you go. Now you gotta lift up. These two down here also can lift up. Yeah, oh, look at that. Good job. Are you gonna get it in there? You got this, you got this. Oh yeah, now open the claw. You might have to go up a little bit. Nice! This is the lazy way to pick up Popeye toys. Yeah! Oh, I love this. Popeye, I know you don't, but I do! Look at that claw, that is so epic. It's almost scary. Ah! Nice. Yeah, get the Statue of Liberty head. This is from our good friend, Pete. Pete sent the Statue of Liberty head in a doggy box for Popeye and this newspaper. I'm sorry, buddy. We won't do this forever. You want to get your toy? Go get it. He's pushing the ball. Better save all your toys, Popeye. That's one of his favorites. Okay, now you're gonna swing it around. Like, there you go. Nice. Good job. Can you drop it that? Oh yeah, good job. It's amazing, isn't it? She's focused. You focused?
Yeah. Let's see if we can get the big one.
The newspaper? Oh man, that'll be a challenge. I love this thing.
It was fun.
Popeye, what are you gonna save? What are you gonna save? Here we go, here we go. This will be a challenge. It's got squeakers built into it, so you might be able to grab onto where the squeaker is. Yeah, I'd say you're good. This is Abby, all Abby. Oh man, look at that. Okay, that's a little off balance there on that one. Wow. Abby at the controls. Popeye's scared for his toys. Oh yeah. Abby, we never have to get off the couch again. We can just watch TV all day long.
There we go. You gonna get the last couple?
Sure.
He's so mad.
Poor Popeye.
You can never destroy the house again.
Between the robot sweepers and this, what are you gonna do? I've been defeated. He says, I have been defeated. Poor guy. You got it, Popeye.
You pick up the last couple.
Okay, there we go. I need a hard hat.
A hard hat?
Here we go.
That's so cool.
I love this.
I feel like I did a way better job at this one than all the other ones.
Really good. Yeah, you did really good. Popeye is so worried. Popeye, come get it, buddy. Come save your toys. He is so worked up. We're starting to get the controls a little faster, aren't we? Popeye, get it, buddy. Look at us go. It's okay, buddy. Here, you can help. See? He says, stop, stop, stop.
He's like, that one's not even my toy.
Yeah.
Popeye.
I am like hitting all the buttons. See, there's no
It's
limit
so
on how many
cool.
buttons you can hit or anything
Yeah.
either. It'll let you do like all of them.
Yeah, that's really
I
nice.
just am slow because I'm not very good at it. There we go. Wrong way. Wrong way. There we go.
Oh no, first fail.
Yeah. I think I gotta get the claw in one of his little tooth marks. Or maybe...
No, go on the end.
Okay.
You're also running over
Right
it.
there?
Yeah. You gotta get it to like scoop it
Yeah, you're right.
underneath.
Maybe like... It's okay, buddy. We're just in the testing stages. We're not taking them away. I'm like on it too. Look at that.
Back up. There you go. You got it.
Oh, I love this
That
thing.
is so cool.
Oh no, I'm running over it.
You gotta
So
go
now I gotta-
backwards.
Here, I'll do this.
Yeah.
Turn it sideways. I got this. Stand clear, stand clear. Got the heavy toys coming in. This is so cool. Get off of there. Okay, here we go. Couple left. Let's see if we can get that green one.
That's a heavier one.
It is, yeah.
This is one of Popeye's favorite toys.
Oh
so.
yeah, he loves this thing.
But he has his favorite toy right now. That red
That was
Pong.
his all-time favorite.
He is protecting it really. You think he was such a mean dog right now. Are you being funny?
Popeye, what are you doing, buddy? Huh? Popeye, come on, buddy. Those are my toys, he said.
Nice.
Oh, wrong way. I keep going the wrong way with this thing.
Is it gonna do it?
I think so. There we go. Oh yeah, like a boss. Look at that thing. Oh, this is so cool. Any dog owners have got to get one of these. Look at that. I can play fetch with Popeye like this. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Boom!
Yeah.
Yeah,
You got one
victory
more.
lap.
There's
okay,
one
I'll
more.
do the last one. Might as well. Sorry, buddy. Well, there goes the light. Get it by the head here. Gotta open this up all the way. Last one. Oh, Popeye. Oh, see, he went too far. There we go, last one, Pops, and then you can get them all back out again. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Okay, this is just amazing. Now, not only is it here picking up dog toys, but you guys could have just a ton of fun with this thing and just playing with toys, you know, picking up Legos and making a fake little construction site. I mean, this thing is so cool. This, listen, metal. Do I have my knife? Let me, that is metal, plastic. There are metal bits throughout this. It's definitely heavy enough to pick some stuff up, but this is solid metal here. All of these little teeth of the claw. That is so cool. Like, I wonder how hard it would be to get out of there. Like, that's tough. That is tough. Okay, if you guys like what you see, we'll have this linked in the description box below. Huina Toys. They make some really good stuff. We've had different construction vehicles from them, and just had to try this claw machine because we just saw it. I think it's kind of newer. I love this thing. Plus, you keep practicing with this, and you might be really good at those arcade games, and then you could come out a winner every time with those. Let's see if we can unplug the power. No, that's not a good idea. 'Cause
Ah,
that's
don't
metal.
unplug the power.
That's metal. That's not a good idea. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye. We see you under there, Popeye.